Welcome to the Riskwiser Zone, the podcast where we dive into the world of stocks and finance to help you make informed decisions about your investments. I'm your host, Louis, and I'm excited to share today's topics with you. We're starting off with a look at the current state of global wealth. A recent report has revealed that the rich are getting richer, with the top 1% of earners now holding more than 40% of the world's wealth. But what does this mean for the rest of us? We'll be exploring the implications of this trend and what it could mean for investors. We'll also be discussing a thought-provoking article that draws parallels between investing and the Tour de France. Yes, you heard that right, the Tour de France. The author argues that just like cyclists need to pick their spots and avoid big bets to succeed in the race, investors should take a similar approach to achieve consistent returns. We'll be breaking down this analogy and exploring what lessons investors can learn from the world of professional cycling. In other news, Canada's best source for investing news has been highlighting the importance of diversification and having adequate liquidity to meet ongoing needs. We'll be examining these key principles and how they can help investors stay in the game, even when markets get rocked. As we navigate the complex world of finance, it's essential to stay informed and adapt to changing circumstances. On this show, we're committed to providing you with balanced and unbiased insights to help you make sense of it all. We'll be right back with more from the world of stocks and finance on the Riskwiser Zone. Welcome back to the Riskwiser Zone. We're glad you're still with us as we dive into the world of finance and risk management. In our previous segment, we explored the latest trends in cybersecurity threats. Now, let's shift our focus to the stock market and examine how geopolitical tensions are impacting investor decisions. We've got a fascinating story for you today, straight from the desks of top analysts at LKP Securities. Rupak Day, a renowned expert in the field, shares his insights on the current state of the market and provides valuable tips for investors looking to navigate these uncertain times. According to D, the Nifty trading strategy is all about adopting a buy-on-dips approach, where investors can capitalize on the fluctuations in the market to make informed decisions. D also highlights the potential for a revival in small and mid-cap stocks, which could lead to a decent catch-up rally in the short term. However, he cautions that the risk-reward ratio may not be favorable for fresh entries in certain stocks, such as Waaree Energies, which saw a sharp 12% jump on Friday. For those looking to make informed investment decisions, he recommends keeping an eye on stocks like Indus Tower, Neva, and CDSL, which have shown promising signs of growth. He notes that the current setup aligns well with a bullish outlook, with prices likely to rise towards specific targets. It's essential to remember that investing in the stock market always carries some level of risk. As such, it's crucial to conduct thorough research, set clear goals, and diversify your portfolio to minimize potential losses. As we continue to navigate these complex markets, it's more important than ever to stay informed and adapt to changing circumstances. We'll keep a close eye on developments and bring you the latest analysis and insights to help you make sense of it all. Stay tuned for our final story of the day, right here on the Riskwiser Zone. Welcome back to the Riskwiser Zone. We're wrapping up today's show with a look at the latest news from the world of real estate. As we've been discussing throughout the episode, the property market can be unpredictable, and it's essential to stay informed about trends and developments. Recently, we've seen some notable sales in both Sydney and other parts of the country. In one remarkable story, a couple got married on the same day they attempted to buy a house at auction in Tennyson Point. Although they ultimately missed out on the property by $30,000, it's a reminder that buying a home can be an emotional and complex process. Meanwhile, in Sydney, a preliminary auction clearance rate of 69.7% was recorded over the weekend, with 954 scheduled auctions taking place. This suggests that the market is starting to shift in favor of sellers, although it's crucial to remember that local conditions can vary significantly. We also saw some impressive sales figures, including a $6.43 million sale in Strathfield and a $4.051 million sale in Tennyson Point. These numbers demonstrate that there are still buyers willing to pay premium prices for the right properties. As we analyze these developments, it's essential to consider the broader economic context. Interest rates, employment figures, and other factors can all impact the property market, making it challenging to predict what will happen next. At Riskwiser Zone, we aim to provide you with balanced and unbiased information to help you make informed decisions about your investments. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, it's crucial to approach the market with caution and carefully consider your options. That's all for today's Riskwiser Zone. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, invest with caution.